Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss magnetic and non-magnetic things. Hello boys.
Hello teacher,
Walaikum
I am Turki
salam.
Bandar.
Hello.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله
السلام عليكم.
Walaikum salam.
Alaikum salam. My name is Abdurrahman Khan.
Walaikum salam.
السلام عليكم أكفس خالد.
Hello,
السلام
Qasim Khalid.
عليكم محمد محمد.
Walaikum salam.
No teacher.
Hello.
السلام عليكم مستر.
Walaikum salam.
هو هذه حصة
العلوم.
العلوم.
كتاب ايوه افتح كتاب صفحة 38 38. Okay, so with me Abdurrahman Muhammad Yusuf, are you there? عبد الغني موجود؟
مستر هو نقرأ.
Okay.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عبد الرحمن الثماري.
Hello عبد الرحمن السوماري.
أستاذ معك كفيل عبد العزيز المالكي.
Okay, I see you.
مستر هو دحين بنقرأ.
يا حبيبي افتح كتاب وانتظار شوي، لا تفتح مايك. Yamin, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Khalf, are you there?
Yes, Mister.
Okay. Abdul Rahman al-Namari. Abdullah Hazrami.
Yes, Mister.
Hussam, Huzaifa.
I am Abdurrahman al-Namari.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Vittal is there. Okay, open your books, page number 38, quickly. 38, quickly. Ahmed Sharif, are you there? Ahmed Sharif?
السلام عليكم الفاتحة البخت بيتي.
Alaikum salam.
أستاذ صفحة كم؟
صفحة موجودة الشاشة، أنت ما تشوف يا حبيبي؟
Sorry. What
Okay.
page?
What is your name?
What page?
عبد الرحمن الصومالي. أنت جديد يا حبيبي؟
78. No. قديم.
أنت ما يشوف الشاشة؟ ما في مكتوب صفحة؟
إلا.
خلاص. Why you are asking?
Okay.
عبد العزيز محمد الحارسي.
Yes.
Okay. عزام نايف، بطال حاتم القرشي، حسام، حذيفة. سعود ناصر عمار
بطل منصور استاذ.
بطال القرشي أنا كلام عمار راشد أو فهد العتيبي
I am Rashid, teacher, I am Rashid.
أحمد شريف أي أحد
I am
موجود؟
Rashid.
أوكي راشد
Teacher, I am Rashid, موجود.
أوكي حبيبي Okay, at the end I will check again. Yalla, let's start. Okay, Hayaf, I wrote your name. I wrote. Okay, Hayaf and Basil. You are brothers?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so on this page we have topic which is it magnetic? Find out that some materials are magnetic but many are not. Can you tell me some magnetic things which are magnetic?
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم
أنا
السلام.
عمار سلام.
Hello عمار سليمان. Magnetic يعني ايش magnetic? What are magnetic things? Can you tell me? We discussed this on this page that there are some objects which are magnetic. Magnetic things are, you can say, mostly metals. Okay, some metals are magnetic and many are not. Magnetic things like iron, like nickel, cobalt, these are all magnetic things. Non-magnetic things we have like wood, yani khashab, paper, plastic, these are all non-magnetic things. Okay. This is where you can see in this picture, this is a compass. In this picture you can see it is called compass. Magnet is used in compass to show us direction. Magnets are used in lots of toys and machines. A compass is an important use of magnet. Here you can see compass. So it points north, so you can go wherever you want to move, left or right or straight, whatever. What is the magnet in the compass being used? What is the magnet is being used to find direction? If we want to know the direction, we use compass to find direction. This is answer for this question.
إيش يعني؟
يعني لو انت يبغى روح السمت، لو انت موجود في المويه مثلا، كيف انت عارف روح يمين ولا يسار ولا فوق ولا تحت؟ You will check through the navigation or compass. Okay, this is an old way, but they use till now. Okay, Hussam is always late. Okay. لا تفتح مايك يقول لك يا حبيبي. Okay, some amazing uses of magnets you can see here. These are many important uses of magnets. The car is being lifted, يعني تشيل فوق, lifted by the magnet. هذا في magnet كبير ومضبوط. They take the car from one place to another through magnet. The train is not touching the track because giant magnets are holding it above the railway. So they use magnets in the magnet power in the trains as well. Okay, next page, page number 39. There are some activities. These are magnets. You can say here, you can see here, sorry. You can use magnets to make games and puzzles. This is a magnet game, this is magnet game, this is puzzle game. So you can use magnets to play games as well. Okay, there are some fill in the blanks, page 39. Fill in the missing words. One has been done for you. Some objects attract is written. Other objects to them. Okay, they are called, what they called if they attract some other materials, they are called magnets. They are called magnets.
Magnets.
Yes, magnets. Right here. Magnets. Yes, anyone can answer, no problem. This is done, magnets. We will put line on it. Then we have a dash has two ends. A magnet has two ends. Magnet. A magnet has two ends. There is only magnet, and we wrote here magnets, yani zyada, plural. Has two ends. One end is this seeking pole, and the other one is this seeking pole. Yes, who will tell me? South.
North, south.
Yes, salam. Excellent. South and north. Okay.
South and north.
Yes, south and north.
North.
Okay. South is done, north is done. Next, north seeking pole. The law of magnetism is like poles dash and opposite poles attract. Like poles, yani if you bring north to north or south to south, what will happen? Like this here. If you bring n with n or s with s, what will happen? They will
Attract.
like poles attract or repel?
Repel.
Like
Repel.
poles repel. Yes. Like poles repel, and other different poles or opposite poles they attract. Okay, next. Iron dash and cobalt are magnetic materials. Iron,
Nice.
nickel,
Nickel.
not nickel, nickel. Iron, nickel, and cobalt are
Nickel.
magnetic materials. All other metals are non-metals are non-magnetic. All other metals and non-metals are non-magnetic. These materials are not attracted to a magnet. Attracted to a magnet. There are many uses of other uses of magnets. Iktib Suraya Habibi, write quickly. You have an activity.
I'm done.
Just make this, just buy this or make this, make a video and send it to me that you are using this game. You are playing this game, you are using magnets, okay? So Vihada Varsalni Sura. Send me the video, okay?
Teacher, this
Yeah.
picture is homework.
Yes. No, wait. This is your activity, home activity. You will do home activity. This is activity. Okay. So Vihada Varsalni fil what? Okay. Understand?
My teacher the homework.
صور لك الصفحتين.
يا حبيبي انتظار انا خلاص لسه بعدين انا اعلم هوم ورك. I will tell you the homework, don't worry. انا ما في كلام هذا واجب، انا كلام بس هذا activity. Make a video and send me while you are using magnet. يعني انت شغل مع هذه. This is magnet, this is also magnet, this is also magnet. يعني انت شغل magnet شوية. اوكي اوكي سيد فهمت؟ اوكي open next page which is page number 40 يعني 40 and 41 يعني 41. Okay, here we have on page number 40 يعني 40 just write for the job. These are some materials which are used for different tasks or different works. So we will say that different jobs, they have different materials. Explore why materials are used for different purposes. The big idea is a material must have just the right properties to do its job. Like if we make our clothes with paper, otherwise, is it good?
No, no,
No.
no,
If-
no,
if
not
we
good.
make-
No, not good.
If we make our
No.
chair, if we make our chair with clothes, is it good? With fabric? Chair with
Yes.
fabric.
Yes.
Yes.
Make your chair. يعني كرسي. مع كرسي مع القماش. Yes?
Yes, yes. No, 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 no,
No,
no,
it
no.
can't. It should be of plastic or wood because it should be strong. No, very nice. If we make a candle with glass, is it good?
No.
No.
No,
So it means,
no,
so it mean every
no,
material has its
no,
own.
no,
يا راشد خلاص.
No.
So it mean every material has its own job. We need candle for candle light. Okay, the big idea, a material has its own properties. I told you, look at the photograph of paper towel. Here is paper towel. Okay. Paper towel, which jobs do paper towels do best? Why are they not good for other jobs? To clean up water, because paper towels are soft, and to clean up water, because they are soft, so we cannot do other tasks with them. Right here, and draw a line to have an idea that this is for this. Okay, next, it is very important to choose the best material for the job. For example, building materials need to be strong, and glass is used for windows because it is see-through. يعني انت تشوف من جوا. And now you will investigate a group of materials called fabric. Fabric يعني قماش. A fabric is a cloth made by weaving. Here this woman is weaving, or knitting, like this. This woman is knitting. Weaving or knitting fabrics are used for carpets, curtains, clothes, and coverings for furniture. Coverings for furniture. Clean up water. We can make up a mirror. No. Hammer nails. No. Make up a bell. No. So best thing is clean up water. So you can circle around this property. Okay, this task is related to this paper towel. Next page. Which properties are important for the fabric for t-shirt? It should be soft. Okay, then hard, strong but bendy. Soft, strong but bendy. So these are the properties for this question. Okay. Is it soft? Is it bendy? Does it need to be waterproof? Does it need to be waterproof? Yes. So it should be, the answer should be yes. Need to be waterproof, but mostly they are not waterproof. But you can write them like this. Okay, this is an activity we can do. Okay, the question are, you will do this activity. There are many questions when you see a fabric. Is it lightweight? Is it soft, waterproof, hard wearing, or strong or bendy, whatever? There are many questions. So question number 1 is, how will you test your fabric in out? We will test our fabrics, then we can answer this as, is it bendy? Okay, sorry, which are bendy?
ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عزام نائف صالح الحارثي.
وعليكم السلام. Okay. Fold the fabric, see which are easy to bend. Using a score of 1 to 5, you can write. Which are bendy? So you will tick here. How strong they are, how soft they are, and which is the warmest. Okay, so we check these 4 points in our clothes. When we buy clothes, we check, is it bendy? It means strong but bendy. We can adjust. Strong they are. Okay, they will not tear easily. Strong, soft 99, and warmest yani bardo shoyahar. Okay, next we have a question. Write 2 properties of paper that make it good for making clothes. Write 2 properties of paper that make it good for making clothes. Okay, if we want to make clothes with paper, paper is easy to cut and easy to fold. That's why we can use it. Okay, But the other point is write two properties that make it bad for making clothes. Yani why you don't want to make clothes with paper? Because it is easy to tear or cut. Okay. Then number two is not waterproof. It is not waterproof. Write yani اكتب في الدفتر and quickly. Okay. Yes, Aus, you have any question? Okay, Azam Naif, انت موجود؟ Azam Naif. Battal Hatim Al-Gurshi.
ايوه استاذ انا عزام.
Okay, Azam. Battal Hatim Al-Gurshi. Last time I am asking. Saud Nasir. Shaloy.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then we have Faisal Abdullah Al-Utaybi. Fahad Faisal Al-Utaybi. Ahmad Sharif.
Yes, استاذ انا فاز.
Fahad Faisal. Okay. Ahmad Sharif.
ربا خشب.
كتبت ولا باقي؟
باقي.
Okay. I will send this picture in your groups as well. Okay.
فينش انا عبد الغني.
طيب. See you next time. Goodbye.
الحارثي.